Welcome to Crypto Quick, where you can always catch up on the latest crypto and financial news in just 1 to 2 minutes. Ripple XRP, what you need to know about the regulation process. In this session, we'll discuss the 5 phases involved in the regulation of cryptocurrency: regulatory attention, investigation, legal proceedings, settlement or trial, and verdict. Cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, have gained widespread popularity over the past decade, with many investors considering them as an alternative investment option. However, the unregulated nature of cryptocurrencies have made them vulnerable to market manipulation, fraud, and other illicit activities. As a result, regulators worldwide have taken a keen interest in monitoring and regulating these digital assets. In this episode, we'll explore the regulation process of cryptocurrencies, with Ripple as a case study. Regulatory attention. The first step in the regulation process of cryptocurrencies is regulatory attention. Typically, regulators become interested in a cryptocurrency when it gains widespread adoption and use, or when it is linked to illegal activities such as money laundering or terrorist financing. In the case of Ripple, the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, became interested in the cryptocurrency due to concerns that it was a security rather than a currency. Investigation. After regulatory attention, the next step is an investigation into the cryptocurrency's activities. The investigation is intended to determine whether the cryptocurrency is compliant with existing regulations and to identify any illicit activities. In the case of Ripple, the SEC conducted an investigation into whether the cryptocurrency violated security laws. Legal proceedings. If the investigation reveals that the cryptocurrency is non-compliant or has been used for illegal activities, legal proceedings may be initiated against the cryptocurrency's issuer. In the case of Ripple, the SEC filed a lawsuit against the cryptocurrency's issuer, Ripple Labs, Inc., alleging that the company had conducted an unregistered securities offering worth $1.3 billion. Settlement or trial. If a lawsuit is filed, the next step in the regulation process is a settlement or trial. A settlement is an agreement between the regulators and the cryptocurrency issuer, where the issuer agrees to comply with the relevant regulations and pay a fine. A trial, on the other hand, involves presenting the case in court, where a judge or jury decides the outcome. In the case of Ripple, the lawsuit is ongoing and a trial may be expected to take place. Verdict. The final step in the regulation process is a verdict. If the case goes to trial, the verdict is determined by a judge or jury. If a settlement is reached, the verdict is a statement from the regulators indicating that the issuer has complied with the relevant regulations. In the case of Ripple, the verdict is yet to be determined, as the lawsuit is ongoing. In conclusion, the regulation process of cryptocurrencies is a complex and lengthy process. Regulatory attention, investigation, legal proceedings, settlement or trial, and verdict are the key steps involved in the process. The case of Ripple provides an excellent example of how the regulation process works, and it highlights the importance of compliance with existing regulations in the cryptocurrency industry. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, it is likely that regulators will continue to play a critical role in ensuring the market's integrity and protecting investors. That's all for today's episode of Crypto Quick. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for more news and updates. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comments section. It would really help the YouTube algorithm. Take care and thanks for watching.